Hi everyone, Darren here. As we move through this season, I want to thank you for being part of my practice and to warmly invite you to schedule your next session. Whatever rate you had for your previous session, whenever that was, will be honored through the end of 2025. My regular 50-minute fee is now $175, with the $150 sliding scale if needed, extending through March 2026. In-person sessions are available on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and some Saturday mornings. Online sessions are available Monday through Saturday at the moment. Both formats continue to show the same strong results, so please just choose whatever feels best for you. If you've emailed me or called the main number recently, my sincere apologies. Those channels have just been absolutely overwhelmed with spam and calls. My phone rings, it's usually not for me, it's usually a different language. I don't know how I'm going to sort this out, but for now, the best way to reach me is by text to my private mobile, which is 647-537-7506, and I'll include that in this here, of course. And if your Jane link doesn't work, because that's also the best way to do it, is using your Jane link to book your next appointment. If that's not working, just send me a text, and I'll get you booked directly. I'm also excited to share that loveloops.love, one of my newest websites, is a growing home for free emotional wellness resources and Love Loops emotional growth guides that are designed for individuals and groups and couples. And at books.by/loveloopspress, you'll find our upcoming personal growth and emotional development workbooks. They're coming soon under that Love Loops banner. And currently there's the United States of Disconnection. If you've been thinking about returning or continuing, this is the perfect time to invest in yourself and secure your preferred regular session time. I'm currently available most days, and I'd love to see you soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.